I'm sorry that I stole your car and got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom.
Hello there people of the internet, my name's Owen and welcome to this brand new video, and that one is on. There we go. So today guys, we're going to be refurbing a wheel, specifically this one, which I've been using as a spare for a little while, and as you can see it has seen better days. So it doesn't need an awful lot. Like, I've got some alloy paint which is there. I've had it for a while, so I'm hoping that works. Fuming is being fuming right now. He's got a heavy misfire going on. Now, coolant wise, the coolant has stayed put, which is good. I can't see any dribs or drabs other than that there, which I know what that was from. But otherwise the car seems to be okay. We're going to just give her a start and see how she's doing, and then we're going to crack on with the wheel. I've moved her back already so that I can sort this out. Got a bucket there, I need to fill up with some water, which I will do in a second. I need to close my new car boot. Squeeze through here. She's looking quite filthy at the moment, and she's looking a bit tired. So I didn't finish off my last video properly because I ran out of time pretty much. So anyways, let's give her a start. So she is in park. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Nice work, fuming. We've got to sort out this headlight at some point because I've pulled some of the contacts out by accident. So that is on the agenda. Fuming's MOT is in October, so we ought to get that sorted at some stage. We've got plenty of time for the things I need to do. In fact, she's clearing up now. Let's just check the underneath, make sure that she isn't dripping anything. Let's have a look. Seems to be dry enough apart from the oil pan. The radiator isn't showing any signs of leaking. That's good. Right, let's get this wheel done. So, first things first, I need to get rid of that. Should be easy enough. Let's see what I've got on here. Should do the trick. There we go. That's one cap, and I've got more of those centre cap covers in a box over there, so I'll put that to one side. We're also going to take off this cover as well, which I've got some on the other tyres as well, and we'll keep that somewhere safe. We'll just put it there. We're going to have to try and take that wheel weight off, because that is going to cause a problem. So I've got a screwdriver. There we go. We could put that back on afterwards, but that wheel weight will do for now. Right. Time to get cracking here. Just get this cloth, rinse it out. We're going to use some of this sandpaper. In fact, no, that's too abrasive. So we'll fold them up, and they should come off. We'll fold it the other way. That should, he says. Well, it doesn't do it the way I wanted it to, but it'll do. Right, so all we do here is we're going to sand down all these marks. Now that's quite a deep mark. We're going to sand them down as best as we can, including this bit here where it's all corroded, and enough for the primer to go on it. We haven't got much in the way of clear coat, but that should be enough for what we need it for. What I might do is I might use some of this. In fact, no, we'll just use it by hand. It's simpler, it's easier. I'm going to use one of these just in case. Always wear a glove just in case. You only need one anyways, one glove. And then all you do is keep rubbing into it, really, as best as you can. Whatever you do, don't put polish on your wheels. I've known that to be a very, very costly mistake. 99% of people will already know that, but I didn't know that at first. Mind you, I'm a novice at this, you know. So it's looking, so far, it's pretty good. Especially this bit here. Where is it? This bit here. It's nice and smooth. We've also got this bit here, which is nice and smooth. This bit in the corner here, and all the little problems. The only downside what I can't get is this bit here, this line. I mean, how well you can see that on photo, I don't know. But it's a much smaller groove. What I might do is I might just get this pad on it and see how I get along. But it's never going to be a perfect job. Remember, when you're doing something like this yourself, you know in yourself it's not going to be a perfect job. And like I say, I'm no expert when it comes to wheel refurbs. I'll never say that. But it's got to be right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's getting that out nicely. Just a little bit more to do. That's looking pretty good. Do you know what? I'm going to recommend these pads. What are they? Rolson pads. Bloody good stuff. we've been at this from the time of this recording for a good hour, and this is the result. Yeah. Okay, and this is the result. So we sanded this bit down all the way around. Looking pretty good. So we've got these records cards which are going to go all the way around. I need to get some tape to tape this off, which I should have somewhere. In fact, that electrical tape will probably do. It's over there. Actually, what am I doing? I've got paper yellow tape, that type of tape. So, oh, once you sat down for an hour, that fucking hurts. Right, some yellow tape. This stuff here, that'll do. And we're going to get this tyre pretty much ready. That's another one gone. So, fixed the light. Didn't I?
No.
Yes, I did. By reconnecting this plug. As you can see, it's just gone off again. So I've got a dodgy wire here somewhere. But so long as I don't touch it, it should be alright. But the pins, I pulled out the pins on this plug and I've just put them back in and it seems to be working alright. So, easy fix. Happy days?
No.
Well guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It's been pretty good actually. Progress on the wheel. As you can see, it looks pretty good to be fair. I need to put one of these stickers on. And then I need to put a centre cap on there. And that wheel is pretty much done then. The light's back in. The light's working. Perfect. I'm going to do this off camera, but I'm going to sort out the power steering clamps. I need to adjust this headlight slightly, so I'm going to need some washers. And then I'm going to put this sensor back in and put some things together off camera, obviously. But yeah, filming is getting there. I'm very happy. I've even took the liberty as well of sorting out the contact on the rear, the boot, which if I open the thing, I've cleaned this up. It was corroded and filthy, now it's fine. Obviously I can't test the window until it's actually misted up, so right now I won't be able to even do that. bit closes as it should. And everything's connected, working perfectly fine. So now, obviously, I need to put a new tyre on one of the wheels, which is at home. And then I can replace the buckled wheel that's over on the other side, put the wheel on that there for the space saver. Space saver is probably going to stay in here for a little while. And then we can finally move on to fitting this, the brake servo, because now the handbrake on Fuming stays on constantly, does not turn off, always stays lit. Oh, let's turn that off. Let's just crank her over. As you can see, the light is permanently on and the handbrake is down, and that's still on. That does not come off. Oh well. That ticking indicates to me also that this car needs new HT leads, which I am going to sort. But otherwise, Fuming still holds temperature. She's got plenty of coolant in her, as you can see. So progress is really, really good. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for continuing this journey with me and Fuming. And I'm going to take off this tape on the front, because now we've painted the front, that can now come off. I'm going to do that off camera as well. So anyways guys, if you like this video, why not leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. From me and Fuming, take care and stay safe.